Hey guys, I am going to Disneyland in the morning. Our plane leaves at 6 o'clock from Orlando, flying to LAX. So that means I got to be at the airport at 4. It's now about 5 o'clock the day before, and I haven't packed not one single thing. So I'm doing a pack with me video, and I'm taking you with me. Since our plane's leaving so early, it's going to be kind of chilly, and I get chilly on a plane in the morning, so it's probably going to be 60 degrees when we get there, which is going to feel really nice, to be honest. So this is what I've figured out what I'm going to wear on the plane, so that's the starting point. So let me show you that. This is what I'm going to wear on the plane. I've just got a little Amazon dress. And I've got this blue jean jacket. And this little crossbody. Little Coach crossbody. I'm going to have my suitcase and a duffel bag, which will be like my personal item. Crossbody will just be stuck into the duffel bag, the personal item. So that's what I'm wearing on the plane. So it'll be cool in the morning, and I've got this long sleeve little Lilly Pulitzer Mickey shirt that's long sleeve that I'm in love with. I haven't worn it yet because I've been saving it. But I've got it with this little tennis skirt, the white one, or I'm taking the blue one too. That's cute. And I got this crossbody bag. And this is the cutest little bag. It's so nice because you can put your cards here and your ID or your cash. And you've got plenty of room for like I can put my camera in here, my little baby camera, and my phone. And take it to the park. The first day we're there, I'm not sure which park it is. I think it's Disneyland Park that morning, but you can park up after 11. So we'll be heading to Disneyland Park and then hopping over to California Adventure in the afternoon. So this will be the day 2. But this is so cute. Look at this Mickey stuff on here. And I really lucked up. I walked into Magic Kingdom in the Emporium the other night, and all the Disney Lilly Pulitzer was 40% off. So I got 40% off, plus then I got my 20% annual pass discount on top of that. So I was really excited about that. So that's in the first one outfit, number 1. Okay, so this is my next outfit. And I'm just wondering how I'm going to get all this packed. But let me show you this one. Okay. Here's the little blue skirt again. The little blue tennis skirt, which I love these things. And this came from Temu. I don't know about if the Temu stuff is still available. But anyway. So I can still take my little Lilly Pulitzer bag. And I just have like a white t-shirt under there. But this is the best part, is this jacket. Oh. Look at that pretty Cinderella jacket. I've hardly ever worn this. It'll be good to take to California. Okay, so we got Saturday, Sunday. Next day's Monday. Okay, so this is the next day outfit. And this is cute. I got this cute little crossbody bag for this little Coach purse. I think I got this for my birthday last year. And I got this mini sweatshirt the other night at Magic Kingdom because my sweet son gave me a Disney gift card, and I thought I'm going to buy this to take to Disneyland. And I got another little tennis skirt, the red one. This is a great little crossbody too. It's got the slots in here for your credit cards and everything. Cuteness. I love this mini sweatshirt. Okay, so then I have this. And this is just, I may switch into this in the afternoons because it'll get warm there in the afternoon. This is just a Los Angeles t-shirt that I got off of Amazon. And my little Temu tennis skirt. And I can just take that little Coach crossbody with this. Another super cute outfit. I'm taking this long dress. It's like a maxi dress. And this would be cute with just like white sneakers. And the sneakers that I have are Skechers, like white Skechers, because they're so comfortable. And then I can just wear this jacket over it. I'm going to wear that into the park one day. Another outfit. I got this shirt the last time we were in Disneyland. And I've not worn it. And I got the ears to match. I can't wait to wear that. And then I just wear it with this little white tennis skirt. And I'll probably take some shorts with me too. Yeah, here's this outfit with the black shorts. So I'll definitely take those black shorts to go. And I may have to watch this video to see how I put all these together. But that's a cute outfit. I got these two cute embroidered shirts. And I got them from 100 Acre Threads. And I'll definitely put a link to her in my description box. So she made me this California Adventure resort, and I've got these shorts I'll probably wear with that, and this would be cute with the little Coach crossbody bag. And then this Disneyland, oh, isn't that cute, the pink one? This I can take my little Lilly Pulitzer bag with this. Yeah, that's cute. So I think that's going to be it. Oh, wait, one more thing. I'm going to take this Disneyland jacket because it says Disneyland. I actually bought this in Disney World. But when I bought it, I thought, I'm taking it on my trip. So now I'm going to attempt to get all of these clothes into this carry-on. Okay, so let's start packing this stuff. So I got my packing cubes, and the cool thing about packing cubes, and I've got some of these for Cameron and Philip, you can write on the outside of it what goes inside, and that way you remember what you're supposed to pack. See, I forgot about the pajamas till just now. Bras, underwear, oh, and my swimsuits. Roll. Anyway, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm just learning, so bear with me. I'm faking it till I make it. Okay, here's another outfit I'm taking that's so dang cute. I love this little purse. And I got this dress for Epcot, but I think it's cute. I'm taking it with me, California. You're going to have to subscribe to my channel and follow along because I'm vlogging the whole trip. That way you can see if I actually wore all this. I love pack with me videos. I'm so excited to make my own pack with me video for my own channel. I saw this bathing suit on a girl walking through. She was walking through the Polynesian resort with just this swimsuit on, and that's it, no cover up or anything. And we were eating dinner there that night, so I sit and looked up black and white one-piece swimsuit that looks like the Palm Royale. And this came up. Is this the cutest thing ever? It looks like the Disneyland Hotel. But this is really cute too. It's got this skirt with it. Love. So this is going with me. Just because it's fancy. It kind of goes. You could put this across your top because, but this will be cute. I could wear this to like Trader Sam's. Because Trader Sam's is in the Disneyland Hotel. And it has this with it. It's a ponytail holder. Timu. This cute. Timu's a rabbit hole that I fall into. Like these too. And who knows, I may buy some more when I'm there. If they've got Disneyland Hotel anything, I'm probably going to buy it. Okay, got this because I live in Florida and Florida. And it's got pants with that. And when you stay at the Disneyland Hotel, you have robes. They give you robes and slippers. That's nice. You've got to get this in here. I'm taking these Pirates of the Caribbean just because I love the Pirates ride in Disneyland. And I'm going to film that ride so you can see it. It's amazing. But I got these on the cruise line. I'm not taking any backpacks. I'm just taking little crossbody bags. I'm going to finish packing. I got this cute little case to put my laptop in. I'm going to edit this video in the plane. Hopefully get it posted. Because it's a 5-hour flight. The charger. My little laptop will go in here. The charger. And I have a little mouse to go with it. And I'm going to carry that in this bag because this is going to be underneath my feet. And the crossbody that I take tomorrow will also go in this bag. And those jackets. I hope. Okay, so next you see me, I'm going to show you the finished product. I forgot about my jewelry. So I've got these pretty little Mickey earrings. I'm taking these. I'm just going to slip them in this little case. And then just my little regular earrings I wear every day. And then my little watch. Because you got to think about your Apple Watch. So I got these. And I got this one because I think it will it go with that Minnie Mouse sweatshirt. And I got this one just because it's Disney. So I'm going to try to fit all these in here. Yes, I think I did it. Let me show you. I got the packing cubes right here. And I think I can get this zipped. Put my jewelry there. This is my skincare and makeup. My pajamas. That's that. Then in this bag I've got 2 jackets in the laptop case. And then over on this side I've got like reading glasses and hand sanitizer and sunglasses and a hairbrush. And I'll stick my little crossbody in here in the morning. And my camera. I'll put my camera in here. Okay, so let's see if we can get it closed. Got it all zipped. And I'm gonna, this will zip and then sit on top of here for the airport. Thanks for watching my very first Pack With Me video. I love watching Pack With Me videos, so I hope you do too. If you like this kind of content, it's Disney vlogs, Pack With Me, maybe on some occasions travel vlogs, then subscribe to my channel because tomorrow as you know, we're going to Disneyland. I'm doing a full travel day vlog. I love those too. I love travel day vlogs. And then I'm going to vlog every single day. I'm also going to do resort tours while I'm there. And those will be separate videos, like Disneyland Hotel video, the new Pixar Hotel. It's not new, but they just redid it. There's a whole lot of new stuff out there to see that we haven't seen yet. So be sure and subscribe to the channel and watch for the next video. The next one will be Travel Day. See ya. You are the magic.